going to show you how to make the express chicken curry, not quite the way it's actually written on the back. I'm going to show you another way, another version of it, okay? What we have is we have chicken. What's not on the ingredient on the back of the packet is passata. So I've got some passata, I've got the curry powder or curry blend, and I've got some fresh coriander, which is optional again. Those two are optional, but if you put it together, it really does make the dish wonderful. And what I've got is I've got one potato, which is probably about 1.5 ounces in weight. It's a baby potato, and I've microwaved it, and I've left the skin on because the skin on it leaves a lovely earthy taste, and that's purely to thicken it. I like pan and place the chicken on and sear. Alright, just like that. Just turn the gas down a little, or your energy a little bit, because you don't want to burn it. Okay, now the chicken is sealed on both sides. It's cooked now. Well, it's not cooked, but I mean it is. What we need to do is take it off the pan. There's enough heat on the wok, okay, for us to cook the spices. So I'm just gonna. There you go. That's. And the heat in the pan, the wok, should be enough to infuse the spices all together. All right. The reason why I actually put diluting water and then simmer it, put the spices in the water and then simmer it in the pan, is so that you don't burn it. And it's quite difficult to actually write instructions on a very small piece on the area that I had. Now what I've done, as I say, you've seen what I've done with that, is I've infused the spices, and I'm going to add some passata. That's okay. That's why you would need the passata, so that you actually use it to mix it up. It's already looking like a curry now. Look at that. It's already looking like a curry. Yeah? What we'll do is add a little bit of water. And that's probably about 4, maybe fluid ounces of water. And simmer it for a few minutes, for about 3 minutes, and come back to it. It's been simmering away for about 2 minutes. Just having a quick look. Okay, and now as I say, this has no thickener, there's no thickening agents or anything else in any of these curries. You can put, if you wish, you can add a teaspoon of corn flour, half a teaspoon of corn flour to thicken it, but that does have a sin value to it, so please check what the sin value of that is, okay, before you go ahead and do it. Alright, the other alternative way is what I've got is that potato which I had earlier on, which has been microwaved, or it's been cooked, and what I'm going to do is just smash it up like so, as though I was making some mashed potato, and I'm going to put this in the curry to thicken it up. Now I've left the skin on because the skin left on gives it a lovely earthy taste. Look at that, my mouth is watering because it smells so nice. Okay, let's put this in like so, and now you probably better do a better job in mashing it up. I didn't. But as you can see, it's thickened up nicely. In fact, the potato skins in it adds a bit of flavour to it as well. Yeah, so look at that. It's a lovely thick curry. Look at that, beautiful. And that's sin-free if you're allowed to have potatoes on that day. You can also add any other vegetables you want to it if you want. It's no problem at all. Alright? Now that's the curry. Okay, and I'm going to dish it out here. Chicken curry using Naz's Express Curry Kit.